GRE. All graduate students aspiring to study non-business programs at institutes in the United States and selected institutes in the rest of the world need to take the GRE exam. A few business schools also accept the GRE score for admissions. The GRE is a computer adaptive test which has 2 verbal reasoning sections with 20 questions each. The quantitative reasoning also has 2 sections with 20 sections each as well. In addition to this, there is one analytical writing section with 2 separate timed tasks. The maximum score that you can get on the GRE is 340 with 170 in each section. The analytical writing section is scored separately and the maximum score on this is 6. Enroll now at Pi International Education's GRE program through our e-learning platform at a discounted rate of only 4,800 Dhaka. Located conveniently at Dhanmondi, Siddeshwari, Banani, and Uttara.